Hello and welcome to Junk Drawer Magic,
where we teach you magic out of things you'd find in your junk drawer.
And today I'm finally going to prove that I'm the smartest magician ever.
We all know that I'm the smart one.
Well, what if I told you I could solve this Rubik's Cube in half a second?
Walker, there's no way. Oh my God, you're the smart one.
And we'll show you how to do this trick next.
I can't be the dumb one. No.
Ready to solve a Rubik's Cube in half a second?
I will figure this out. I will.
Okay, let's go to the junk drawer. For this trick, we'll need a small square cardboard box, cardstock, Sharpie, a ruler, scissors, packing tape, double-sided tape, and printouts of solved and unsolved Rubik's Cube sides. 5 solved and 3 unsolved. First, measure your box with a ruler. Search online for images of solved and unsolved Rubik's Cubes that match the size of your box. Use a Sharpie to color in the edges of the box. Next, trace your box on cardstock and cut that out. Now color the edges of your additional square. Tape the square onto one edge with packing tape. Cut out the solved and unsolved squares. Use the double-sided tape to attach the unsolved pieces. All 3 sides should touch, one of them being on the flap. Attach solved sides to the rest. Now the prep is done, time for the trick. Start the trick by showing the audience only the unsolved sides. Once they've seen that, get your thumb slightly under the flap. Then, bring your box up and flip it over onto this side. So now all the solved sides have been shown and there's only one unsolved side. What you want to do with this is cover it. So now, it's solved.
Thanks for watching Junk Drawer Magic.
Are you okay, Akira?
Oh, yeah, I just have some water in my ear or something. Hold on a second.
Merlin!
Yes, it is I! I have returned for your first of 5 trials. Whoever wins this tournament shall be my next apprentice.
We're ready.
Wonderful. The first trial is from the School of Conjuration. Whoever summons the coolest scorpion will be the victor.
Yes! Mine's way bigger and it has 24-karat gold claws. So much cooler.
Hello. Oh, hey, J-Law. What's going on? Nah, I'm busy tonight, but maybe we can chill this weekend. All right, see you then.
Did that scorpion just rain check Jennifer Lawrence?
Akira is the winner! Tune in next time for the next set of trials on Jump Draw Magic.
Make sure to subscribe to DreamWorks TV and click here for more Junk Drawer magic.
And click here to win $1 million. Ah! I did it! I'm back from the junk drawer.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. But if you see Dr. Skeletal, he's mad.